Alrighty, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, families. We are so glad that you can join us here, and it is that time of the year for the annual update. And of course, we have a very slick way that you can do that by using our Parent Connection app. And so I'm going to go ahead and take you through that. So let's go. And of course, the first step is always going to be to download the Q Parent Connection app. And so if you haven't done so, you're going to want to go ahead and do that. And when you click on it, you're going to have to actually go ahead and log in. So go ahead and put in your PIN and your password. And if for any reason that you don't have your PIN and password, you can contact your child's school and they can help you with that. Perfect. Now that you're logged in, you're going to see all of your children that are enrolled in Fontana are going to pop up right there. And great. And so what you're going to want to do is actually click on the three lines on the top right hand corner. And when you do that, you're going to go to Annual Update. And you're going to do the same step for every child. And so once you do it for one, it'll be simple, and then you can go ahead and continue on. And so I'm going to go ahead and just click on my first child right here. And you're going to see when you click on it, there are two things that you need to complete, which is the student acceptable use and one-to-one laptop. And then also below that is the student data directory info. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one. And it's going to ask me to click on the edit button. So that's what I'm going to do right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit button now. Okay, perfect. And so basically, you're going to want to go ahead and read through this so that you know exactly what it is that you're signing for. You're going to click on accept, and then of course, you're going to go ahead and sign right here for a parent signature. Great. Next one right here is the student data directory letter. You're going to want to go ahead and read through this one carefully. This is actually a really important message down here below, and I'm just going to read that right there. It says, if you wish to opt out or not give the district consent to share data about your child to participate in one or more online educational programs or services, then you're going to want to click on the view opt-out right there, okay? And so like you can see it right there, but because I'm most definitely okay with it, our district probably has one of the safest online security systems. I'm most definitely going to go ahead and move forward with that, and I'm going to sign right there. Perfect, and that's actually all you need to do for your child. Now, if you have more than one child, then you're going to want to go down the list and do this for the remaining children. I really hope that helps, and we're looking forward to an awesome and an amazing 2022-2023 school year. We can't wait to begin with all of you guys.